Hello, my name is Michael H. Odom Sr. I am a career instructor down at the Passaic County One Stop, which is located at 200 Memorial Drive, located in the city of Paterson, New Jersey. Today, this part of our presentation will introduce you into 3 ways on how to browse through Metrix as you're exploring and using it to navigate to find your career path or to enjoy some of the courses that are offered here. The first area will be called Explore Career Pathway, which is basically if there's a particular field of interest or job course that you want to take, it would take you through step by step and how to set up those classes. There's a portion where you go through where you'll rate your abilities in certain areas, and based on your information on how you answer those questions, it will put you on a course to pick out particular plans or classes that will fit a plan for you, and then you'll have a plan that you will follow through that career pathway. The next area is called Browse the Catalog, and this feature is basically used when you want to find individual courses or a course that you may have an interest in or you may need. So it allows you to search through it. It will be in the instructional video as well. And the last portion that's going to talk about is how to find a job. And basically it will take you to Indeed.com, or either it will take you to your state job board where it'll be a listing of jobs that's there. The good thing about this feature, as you look at certain jobs that may be open, perhaps you are lacking a certain skill set, and you can go back into Metrix and take that class, and you can add that to your resume as well. It also will give you information on if you need support or help. It gives you that information as well. So we hope that you enjoy this presentation.
There are 3 main ways to browse the system. Exploring career pathways. You can go in and rate different job skills and select industries and occupations in your desired career path. Based off of your skills ratings, you'll be able to receive customized recommendations for courses to close any skill gaps. If you like, you can browse the catalog directly. The link here will bring you to view our skill tracks, which are the same skills in the Pathways tool, and you can earn digital badges for completing each skill track. You can also browse the catalog by a keyword search or looking at industry certifications. The last area is to find a job. We link directly to Indeed.com, the job search website, or your state job board so that you can browse real-time job openings in your area. From the home page, you can start anywhere. If you don't know what jobs you are interested in, you can use the Pathways tool. If you want to work on specific courses or skills, go right into the catalog. Or you can search for job postings first, see what skills you may be lacking, and then come back in the system to look for courses. When you are first brought to the Career Pathways tool, you will be given a list of 50 different job skills and asked to rate 25 of them. You can rate yourself from none, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and mastery of a skill. After rating 25 skills, click to continue on to the Pathways tool. Then you can select a pathway industry, browse different occupations, and then based off the occupation selected, you will see your skills populate in the chart below. If there are any skills you did not rate initially, you can go back in by clicking the Rate Skills button. For anywhere where it's blue or green, you fulfill or exceed the required skill level. Anywhere red is where you have skill gaps. You can scroll down below to the Courses/Resources section. Here you will see the different skills, your rating, and clicking on a skill name will show the courses that you can take. You can add a course to your learning plan by clicking Add to Plan, and once added, you can also launch the courses directly from this page by clicking Launch. The Career Pathways tool gives you a customized curriculum based off of your skill gaps. If you'd like to browse the catalog, you can go back to the home page and then click Browse the Catalog. Browsing the catalog by skill tracks. Skill tracks are groups of courses designed to help you enhance a specific skill. On this page, you can open the different topics by clicking on the name of the track. Clicking on the orange arrow, you'll be able to view all the courses listed in that particular skill track. You can earn a digital badge by completing and passing all the courses in that track. To add that track of courses to your learning plan, click on Add to My Plan to the right. You can also go to Catalog, Search, to browse the course catalog by keyword. There are more than 5,000 courses provided by our main learning content providers. Skillsoft provides courses in workplace skills, business, IT skills, transportation logistics, and compliance. There are over 5,000 courses available in the Skillsoft catalog. Medcom provides healthcare content. There are over 1,000 courses in topics such as billing and coding, home health aid, and nursing. These courses can provide you foundation skills in the healthcare industry. If you would like access to the Medcom course catalog, please contact your career counselor or career center to request a license. Amatrol provides over 700 manufacturing courses. This is limited to specific locations. Please contact your counselor or career center to see if you can receive access. To search for different courses, go to the keyword box and enter a keyword or phrase. Be as generic as possible or as specific as you'd like. For example, Word 2016. Then click Go. This will list all the different courses that come back with that keyword. To add a course, click on the plus sign or click on the name of the course to view the description and then click Add to My Plan. You can also browse the catalog by industry certifications. Certification tracks are separated into business, desktop, and IT certifications. For example, business certifications include Six Sigma, Project Management, and HR. Desktop certifications include Microsoft Office Specialist. And IT certifications can be things like Amazon Web Services, Cisco, CompTIA, or Oracle. When you open a certification track of courses, you can open the list of courses by clicking on the certification name and then the orange arrow. You'll notice that there may be 15, 20, or 30 courses to each of these certification tracks. On average, it can be between 20 to 30 hours of training for a certification. You'll notice some activities have a course called Test Prep. This simulates the exam and helps you prepare for the certification itself. There's also an activity called Mentoring. Mentoring is 24/7 access to a Skillsoft expert certified in that particular topic. You can live chat with them or email them to ask any questions about that certification or topic. To add the entire certification track to your learning plan, click Add to My Plan. From the navigation bar, you can click My Plan to access your learning plan. The My Plan page lists all of the activities assigned to you. Some activities may already be assigned to you by an administrator. To launch a course activity, you will want to click on the up arrow button under the action column. The course will then load in a separate window. If your course is not opening, you may have a pop-up blocker on, or your license may have recycled. Courses have audio, video, and closed captioning, as well as transcripts for you to access and review the course with. When you open a course, typically there is a pre-test, the learning material, and then a post-test. We recommend you take the pre-test just to see where your skills are at. When you continue through the course, you will be able to view the different lessons in the table of contents. At the end of the course, you will have the post-test. The test is typically multiple choice, multiple answer type of questions. To answer a question, you can click on the different bubbles or check marks, or click and drag your answers. Once you've completed the course test, you'll need to have passed it with an 80% or higher to receive your certificate of completion. You can retake the quizzes and tests as many times as you need until you do pass. You can always go back into the course to review any segments that you need to. For different programs where you may need to report your training hours, please note that when you launch the course, the time will start counting. You need to be active within the course for the time to continue to be tracked. The courses will time you out after 8 minutes of inactivity. To stay active in the course, you will just need to keep clicking through the different slides or answer the quiz questions. Once you complete a course, it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for the course status to update in our system. Clicking on the My Report tab will let you view all your courses and your scores. For courses that you have passed with the 80% or higher, you'll be able to print a certificate of completion. Clicking on the certificate icon allows you to download the PDF file. Once you open the file, you can print out your certificate or save it. It will state your name, the course, the completion date, the course provider logo in the bottom right, and then your organization's logo in the bottom left. We recommend adding courses and skills that you've completed to your resume. You can use these certificates as a talking point with interviews with different employers. Going back to the home page, the last step is to find a job. This link will bring you to Indeed.com or your state job board. You can look at different job postings in your local area. If you need any support, you can go to our Help support area. Clicking on Help, there's a section to access our tutorials. There's also a link for FAQs, or frequently asked questions. If you're still having trouble, you can click Help Support and view our different knowledge base articles. And if your question is still unanswered, please feel free to create a new support ticket by clicking Create a New Support Ticket. Support staff is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. We will typically respond within 1 to 2 business days. This concludes the system walkthrough. Again, if you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Best of luck with your online learning.
I hope that you have found this presentation to be very informative and give you the information that you may have needed. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us down at the Passaic County One Stop at 200 Memorial Drive in the city of Paterson, New Jersey. Our phone number is 973-742-9226. That's 973-742-9226. And we hope to hear from you real soon.